Hey, what's up everyone? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. Today I've got this gorgeous BMW GS 1300 and I want to talk to you about the auxiliary light mounts that we have from Tusk installed on here. If you have this bike and you're looking to install some extra lighting like we have, we've got the Baja Designs Squadron Pros on here. These mounts give you the perfect location to do that. These are built specifically for the 1300. There's 3 mounting points that go right to factory location, so there's 0 modification that you have to do to get these mounted up. They're made from 3/4 inch powder coated steel tubing. Very sturdy, super solid when you have these mounted. And as you can see, it's a perfect location to put some auxiliary lights like we have on this bike. So if you have the 1300 and you're wanting to mount some additional lights, this is just a nice, easy location to be able to do that. So that's something you're looking to do, pick these up. To grab some, you can just click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And we have a lot of other cool accessories for the 1300 from Tusk that you can check out. So when you're there, just enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you have, and you will see everything that will fit your motorcycle. If you have questions, please down below. As always, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date on products like this. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.